Hi guys, how are you? My name is Sardar Tayyab and today topic is SDLC. SDLC stand for Software Development Life Cycle. Let's start it. SDLC stand for Software Development Life Cycle, which is a process used to plan, design, develop, test, and deliver software products. The SDLC framework provides a structured approach to software development, ensuring that all aspects of the project are properly managed and executed. Um, and the SDLC typically consists of the following phase. First is requirement gathering, collecting and document user requirements. Second is analyze requirement to identify and project scope. Design. Third is design, creating detailed design document and prototypes. Four is implementation, implementation coding, written the code for the software. 5 is testing, verifying that the software meets requirements and work correctly. 6 is development, releasing the software to production. 7 is maintenance, updating and fixing the software after releases. Some popular SDLC methodologies included: first is waterfall, a linear approach where each phase is complete before moving to the next. Second is agile and iterative approach, focusing on flexibility and continuously improvement. So third is Scrum, a framework for managing and completing complex projects. Four is Kanban, a visual system for managing work, emphasizing continuously flow. Five is DevOps, a culture and set of practices combining development and operation. SDLC aims to first is ensuring software quality and reliability. Second is managing project risk and timelines. Third is improved communication amongst stakeholders. Four is increase customer satisfaction. Five is reduce cost and improve efficiency. Here are some more aspects of SDLC. First is SDLC various models like V models, spatial models, and iterative model. Second is requirement engineering process for gathering, analysis and documenting requirements. Third is software architecture, design the overall structure and organization of the software. Four is design patterns and principle, reusable solution and guidelines for software design. 5 is coding standard and best practices guidelines, right, for written clean maintainable code. 6 is testing methodologies, various testing approach such as unit testing, integration testing and system testing. 7 is continuous integration and continuously deployment, CI and CD, automating testing, building and deployments processes. Mm, 8 is DevOps and Agile methodologies combining development and cooperation for faster and more reliable release. 9 is project management tools like Jira, Asana, and Trello for managing SDLC process. 10 is version control system tools like Get SVN and managing code changes. 11 is code review and pair programming techniques for improving code quality and collaboration. 12 is test driven deployment, TDD, and behavior driven development, BDD, deployment approach for focusing on testing and user behavior. 13 is SDLC for specific domains, tailoring SDLC for industries like healthcare, finance, or embedded system. 14 is SDLC for distributed teams, managing SDLC processes with remote teams and global collaboration. 15 is SDLC metrics and monitoring, measure and tracking SDLC process to improve efficiency and quality.